back to the channel, family. Here we have it today. We have a new mini arrow, guys. Redefined. It's basically the same one as the other one, but I added some spars, I added some stuff, made the coloration for the orientation a little bit different, so it should be all right. The sun is right over there, man, to the right of us, so we're gonna try to stay away from that, and that's really it. So let me make sure. It seems that my elevator is backwards. All right, so let's turn on our run cam, sync in our audio. All right, I do have my noodles out there, so when I put my goggles on, we are not gonna be using the GoPro. We're gonna use the run cam because I forgot the mount for the GoPro to have it sitting next to me while I use the thing. So all right, everything's good. Let's cross our fingers and let's get it in there. I could put the battery way back more, so I'm gonna do that. But she flies though. A little bit of right clicks. The only reason I bring her down is because I don't want to use my elevator trim to fix that nose from pitching down. So we're just gonna do the mechanical adjustment like so. All right, have her just a touch back. So before we start clicking our elevator trim, let's check that out. A little farther back, but it's not as bad. Use our elevator a little bit. Try to stay away from that sun. Lot more right trim still. See? Still clicking. Okay, that's straight. Probably about 2 more clicks of elevator. Whoa, that's sun. There you go. All right. That's nice. That is nice. That is nice. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch straight to FPV, guys. Straight to FPV. All right, family, let's get it up there. I don't want to make this too long because it is a little cold, so let's go right back up. Came in a little too low on that approach. Guys, that's my fault. I keep coming in real low. I don't know why. So it's definitely my fault. It's not the plane or anything. It's just that I keep coming in a little too low. I'm actually going to try to get some really low passes as well. To see how that does. And let me stay out the way though, because I don't want to smack myself. Guys, this thing is definitely capable of flying really low, and I can keep it in the park really smooth, and that's really it, man. This is pretty good for anybody that wants an FPV plane that they can keep in the park. Now, I suggest you fly with no wind at all if you're gonna go with this setup. This is a very light setup, and as you can see, it gets tossed around. I could keep it smooth a little bit, but not as smooth, man. So let's finish off this battery.
Alright everyone, we definitely can't get it. It's getting a little bit more windier up there. So that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everybody gets to try this. Go with the same setup, man. Go with the same setup, just no wind. Just no wind. But that's it for this video, everyone. I will see you in the next one. Stay creative.